So if you can tell you're depressed or if you're using drugs, like the first thing you should do is just have love with yourself and realize maybe I have a problem, I should reach out. And someone you could reach out to is like a counselor at school. If you can't tell your parents, then go talk to anyone you trust, like a friend. Say, I'm really struggling, like, can you please help me? If you see yourself getting depressed, you don't want to get out of bed, if you see yourself isolating, if you see yourself just not like just who you usually are, if you see all of that kind of stuff, then you should know you have a problem. Most people don't ever want to admit it, even if they know they do, but if you know you have a problem, really just go get yourself some help. I'm 18 now. Things can happen very quickly. It will ruin your life. Just don't do it. Just stay away from it. Everyone is better than drugs.